Got a tiny bit of Boost by Smith MaxxECU race plug and play action going on here. Got a MaxxECU race with my ECU adapter box. So you just pull the ECU out, plug this guy in, hook up positive and negative cables to the battery going to the relay. Got CAN wiring here extended for if you're running an aftermarket dash. Got the built-in wideband O2 sensor. Got a 4-channel igniter wired up. There's a ground wire to hook up to the head. And I got a whole bunch of harnesses here that all plug into factory stuff on the under the tank and whatnot. So you get wastegate pressure. This is a turbo bike, obviously. This plugs into the map sensor. Oil pressure sensor that plugs into the secondary throttle position sensor that's no longer being used. It's got a quick shifter here that's just going to plug in line on the gear position sensor. Got a shift light, 4-pod LED there that will plug into the pair valve connection. Then the fuel pressure and intake air temperature with a Rife high AT temperature sensor. That stuff plugs into the servo secondary throttle servo connector. I got a pair of Mac valves for boost control. Those guys plug into the stock O2 sensor. And then on this one, it's the first one I've done like this, but we're actually doing front and rear wheel speeds coming from the ABS system, which he's no longer going to be using the ABS valve, but just using the front and rear sensors. That's going to plug into the SDS connector underneath the seat.